everyone, Francois from howtobecomemore.com, and welcome. New setup today. Well, in the series of Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life, today we're going to talk about something that is pretty cool. What's it going to be? It's going to be achieve your goals by prioritizing them. Achieve your goals by prioritizing them. And so there's a simple way. I've been studying, I worked alongside Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People for 13 years. And so from there, there's some simple, synthesized way to help you achieve your goals by giving priority to them. So let's get going with a quick overview. Number 1, you need to make a list. Take it out of your head and put it on paper. Unless you do that, you're all in your head and you're not knowing where to go, and that creates confusion. And we've already covered that. The confused mind takes no action. Therefore, make a list. Make it long. And now once you have that list, then there's 4 categories, or you can put them into 4. Number 1 category is in the next 30 days. So you write down all the goals in the next 30 days. Number 2, in the first quarter. Write down all the goals for the first quarter. Number 3, second quarter. And number 4 is by the end of the year. Important to have an idea of what's going on. So once you have that list, and they're all mishmashed, but categorized in 1, 2, 3, and 4 categories, as we said there, next 30 days, then you're going to do something very important. You're going to categorize them by A, B, and C. Which one first, which one second, which one third. When you do this, it takes time to do it, analyze, and then you mismatch this one before this one, and then you change them position. But as you do this, you know your ABC for the next 30 days. And guess what? The first quarter, you do the same thing, your ABC. Second quarter, you do the same thing. And fourth quarter, or by the end of the year, your ABC. It does 2 things. As you can see with the green check marks, is that you have categories. Next 30 days, first quarters, etc. But within those, then you have your A, B, and C. When you do this, what it does is it saves you time because it increases your focus. It saves time because it increases your focus. You don't need to think about it anymore. The work has been done, and the list is made, prioritized, and then you just do them one after the other. What will that do? That will make you achieve your goals faster. So there you have it. Make a list and then prioritize that list with A, B, and C. It's going to help you making it much faster. Hopefully, this enables you to understand that prioritizing your goal is going to make them come way faster. And you got this, and I believe in you. So now, until next time, make it a great day. But if you haven't already done so, it's time to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time there's a new video that comes out to help you change your thoughts, change your mind, change your life by doing things better and more efficiently. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they too can benefit from this great video. I appreciate you, and I know that as you apply this simple task of prioritizing 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then in those categories A, B, and C, you will achieve much more, much faster. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com, wishing you a wonderful day. Have a good one.